Wanna go outside, buddy? What we got, buddy? What's this, buddy? Let's go open it. Someone's happy. You're happy to open this, buddy? Let's open this. Buddy. Puppy Love Club box. Look at this. Let's open it. This right here is our subscription box from Puppy Love Club. They send your dog personalized goodies in each monthly box, and these are always so awesome to do. So let's see what Gohan got in his box. Ooh, we got some stuff. Oh, we got like a little frisbee. This is awesome. And it's pink. Gohan loves blue, but pink will do also. Gohan loves his new toy already. We got some treats. Gohan's gonna love these. Thank you so much. And then he's like frozen. Oh. Look at Gohan. Oh. Gohan's rocking the bandana. Before we go outside, we got one more thing, okay? We got a shirt. So this is basically where the personalized part comes into play. And shirt. By the way, they do ask for your size, so it's gonna fit your dog perfectly if you give him the right size, of course. Thank you, Puppy Love Club, for this box. Check this company out, guys. I'll link them down below. A huge thanks to Kim, who was the one that sent me this box. I think this is really cool. It's personalized stuff for your dogs. So check them out if you want to get one for your dog. No Gohan nearby. As soon as I grab this leash, he's gonna come running. The reason I could vlog today is because today we were gonna do some very fun things. We just did an unboxing that was super fun. So now I'm gonna walk Gohan like I do every morning. Then later today I'm gonna take Gohan to like a walking trail, and that's gonna be lots of fun. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. After that, I have a few other fun things to do and something special towards the end of the video. So on the days that we do the fun things, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, just like today. And the reason I don't vlog much is because, to be honest, it's not like every single day we do something fun. So if you guys like this video, make sure to let me know. Water. Eat your food. end of the trail is right here. I pretty much know what this is, so let's get right into it, guys, because I've been waiting for this forever. What's this, buddy? Go on, you did this. Go on, look. Look, buddy. Oh man. Ooh. This is awesome. What? Gohan, you did this. Yeah, this was all you. This was all you. Look at that. Guys, it is seriously so nice. This thing is beautiful. This thing is amazing. You did this, buddy. I honestly never thought I'd be getting one of these. I used to see them all the time on videos, but now we have one and it's amazing. And yes, it's funny because it says 100,000 subscribers, but now we're doubled that. So this came a little late, but that's okay. That just goes to show how fast we are truly growing. So again, guys, thank you so much for this. I believe the next plaque is 1 million subscribers, so never say never, but you never know. Because I never thought I was gonna get this, so.